Gang, 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 gang.
Gentle beats.
Yo, y'all know what time it is, man. Big POV time, big POV time, man. So, y'all know what's going on, man. We in skin and knee, man. I ain't pulled out the cat in a little minute. Nigga getting up under the weather, but it's cool, though. We ain't gonna, you know what I'm saying? We ain't letting shit stop us, man. I'd rather do it now. I got some events coming up these next few weeks, so I need to get this out my system now. I'm glad it happened now. But YouTube, what's been cracking, man? What's the word? What y'all been on, man? We just cruising. I just dropped my daughter off at school. I'm really in traffic. I'm just having some motion right now, man. Just getting out, you know. We got some major stuff on the way, man. We got some stuff coming up in Dallas, Chicago, Louisville. If y'all in them cities, man, y'all know what time it is. Pop in. Pop out. Tap in, I mean. My bad. Yeah, nah, we coolin'. We coolin'. This song called Gnarly. Facts, that song called Gnarly. It's about Lil Flame. I think it's LUHFLAME, if I'm not mistaken. But with that being said, my bad. We had 12 behind us. I had to put y'all down, my bad, gang. Ski gang, my bad. But we had 12 in front of us, my bad, not behind us. So, yeah, you know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is, bro. Stop playing. These my favorite POV drives. I like these POV drives because I really get to just chill. And y'all get to see what I see on the daily, like how this Scat looks so crazy. You know what I'm saying? The Scatpack look crazy. Everybody be asking me about the stars and stuff, like it's a different, my line is yellow. So for everybody that keep wondering why my line of that color, that's the color I chose, the Scatpack. I put a yellow line, it's black and yellow. What's the problem with that? I don't get it. But nah, so. Oh, shit. Come on about that eco, cause you know you're mess your transfer like that. Oh shit. He always do that. He always look at me dumb as hell. I'm doing 30, bro. He's still looking at me stupid. Like I'm doing 50. It's just my car is loud. That's all. He does it every time, bro. He looks at me and puts his hands up like, hey, you're speeding. Like, no, I'm not. My car's loud. You fucking old man. You little shizzle gizm guard. But look, so I got to keep dropping these on the Ski Gang Daily channel. I have not been dropping really too many POVs on the SRT No Ski channel. I just don't feel like that channel deserves, you know, that type of content. I feel like that content on that channel is way different from any other channel that I've seen. You know, there's more celebrities on my channel, more activity. You're gonna see different cities, different states. You're gonna see countries, all that. Like, we ain't done. We ain't nowhere near done. We just started. We just started getting paid off YouTube. We just started getting paid off YouTube. Stop playing. How many of y'all can say y'all get paid on YouTube, man? Y'all get paid off of YouTube. How many of y'all can say that? 2 phones, you know, that's coming, man. I really be, let me show y'all my playlist. My playlist be like, it's Tekka. I got ESTG in all my playlists. I got man, I got some crazy, you know, little baby ESTG. That's what I've been on the last couple days, though. That's what I've been on the last couple days. Damn. This boy be tugging. I don't know if y'all ever, this motherfucker be yanking. And if anybody know, you know when it's cold outside, you know these boys don't play no games. They love the cold. That natural aspiration is just something crazy with that cold air intake and that exhaust. Oh my goodness. Snatcher. That's a soul snatcher. You feel me? Well, yeah, we outside rocking right now, man. POV time. POV time. I gotta wash my car today, so today's vlog might be washing both the cars. I'm supposed to be buying me a pressure washer gun. for my car. So I feel like I'm gonna go spend 40 to get it washed when I can go get a pressure washer done for like, I'm no mathematician, but I think the pressure washer guns be like 40, 50 bucks. So that's what I'm finna go do. I got a mic, my bad, y'all. I gotta start using this mic. I didn't like how it sounded, but everybody told me to start using a mic. It's just better for quality. So I'm gonna start using a mic. This next vlog that I'm doing will be the mic. So y'all, you know, stay tuned for all the new stuff that we got coming to the channel, man. But like I said, Louisville, Atlanta, Chicago, and Dallas and Fort Worth. That's our last couple cities before the new year. I can't wait to see what cities we're gonna go to the new year. If y'all get what I'm saying. This is crazy. It's going how I wanted it to or needed it to. So I'm just taking what God gave me and I keep going. I don't really complain about how many followers or views I'm getting, because I'm getting views, I'm getting followers, I'm making money. So there's no reason for me to complain about anything. I have no reason to complain. I am in a substantial spot to where I can say something that a lot of people can't, which is I'm monetized on YouTube. So, you know how that go. You flex without talking, and a lot of people don't know that. You ain't gotta always say something to flex. That's RT Noski, man. Look, that's the end of this POV. I hope y'all fuck with me. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Car Fanatic, American Muscle meets exotic luxury, man. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all stay tuned. One more time.